Somebody got a new faucet today. It's me.
Let's unbox it, shall we?
I got a new faucet. So I want to unbox on camera this extended faucet from Walmart. Okay. This is how it's coming. Sealed to prevent leaking. This is a hot water, cold water regulation. Flexible neck, can cover the entire sink. 2 outlet modes, ceramic cartridge, free temperature control, reachable outlet. Oh. Right. Got some installation guides for the kitchen faucet right here. It's 11 steps. I am holding this the wrong way. It's upside down. Yes, I ordered the black faucet. It's the plate. And here is the nozzle and sprayer. Isn't that cool? How cool is that? I want to see it on and working. There's switches on here, on and off switch. And cold and hot water nozzles. Nice. And it pulls down. It'll pull down as long as you need it to pull down. I really like this. I can't wait to see it on the sink.
Do you want to show it to him?
No, it's just about the valve. That's it. See, this one is small. Okay, you see this one? There's the old hose. You see? You see where is my finger? Oh, so let me show you. You have open the light. Yeah. You see this one? Bigger. So we have valve like this one for this small one.
Oh,
You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
This one, the hose is big. The hose, the one we have now,
It's
is small.
smaller.
So we have to change this one. You can't change the hose.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's easy, not.
Thanks for watching.